Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rock Band. To begin, select your preferred instrument from the 4 available options: guitar, bass, drums, or vocals. Your main objective is to hit the notes as they scroll down the screen, matching them with the correct actions on your instrument. Successfully hitting notes builds your score multiplier, which can reach up to 4 times your base score. Fill your overdrive meter by hitting glowing phrases, then activate it for a significant score boost. Playing guitar or bass involves pressing the correct fret buttons while simultaneously strumming the strum bar. There are 5 colored fret buttons, corresponding to the notes on screen. For quick sequences, you can perform hammer-ons and pull-offs, allowing you to hit notes without strumming after the first note in a phrase. To activate overdrive, either tilt your guitar controller upwards or press the dedicated overdrive button, boosting your score significantly for a short period. Drumming in Rock Band requires precision, using 4 colored drum pads and a kick pedal. Each note on screen corresponds to a specific pad or the pedal. For orange notes, you will strike the correct drum pad and the cymbal simultaneously. Maintaining a steady rhythm and hitting notes accurately is key to building your score. Activate overdrive by hitting glowing drum phrases, then pressing the dedicated button or striking the green and blue pads together. For vocals, your goal is to sing into the microphone, matching the pitch of the notes scrolling across the screen. The game provides visual cues to help you stay in tune. During designated sections, you can engage freestyle vocals, allowing you to improvise and sing creatively without strict note matching. Successfully hitting vocal phrases fills your overdrive meter. Activate it by performing a quick vocal burst or shaking the microphone for bonus points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.